Hey everyone, so today I'm gonna be cutting my mom's dog's hair. This is gonna be the first time I ever cut her hair. I have cut cat's hair before, but I don't think I've ever cut dog's hair, so we'll see how this turns out. She did want to have her hair cut, but I told her that I could do it while she's staying here with us. I'm taking care of her for 3 weeks while my mom's gone, so we're gonna cut her hair, see how it turns out. I'm gonna put her up on this table right here. I have the clippers ready. I'm using these right here, Andis. It comes with like clips and oil for the blades, and I have a little comb here and some scissors. Let's get to it. Cassie, come on. Ooh, did you fart? So this is Cassie. Cassie, say hi. This is what she's looking like the before. Cassie, hold on. Don't try to jump off. I have her on the table right now. My 3 dogs they're playing outside, and Harry's eating. Hey, Harry. So my mom just normally cuts off her body hair and she leaves her tail. So I think I'm gonna leave her tail and just clean up her face a little bit and cut off her body hair. That's her little sweater after her cut. It's a little chilly today. Just cut your hair, I mean. Oh, Cassie, look at you. You're gonna be all white. It's so cute. Hold on. Wait right there. Look at all this fur. I think I like this look. She can look like a lion. You wanna look like a lion? Ferocious lion? Her tail's like a foxtail. Let's go 3. Okay, now let's groom that face of yours. The little beard. Show your pretty face now. Hair growing in between? Yeah, we do. Okay, now I'm gonna shower her. Hopefully I didn't make her look ridiculous. I'm gonna fix up a few things that I see. This is the finished look. Ooh, Cassie, ooh. Look at that lion. Ooh, Cassie. I think she's like a terrier mixed with Chihuahua, I believe. I'm really not sure what she has in her, but yeah, I tried giving her like that little schnauzer kind of cut, lion cut. Bless you. I mean, hopefully she doesn't look too funny. I know. Now I'm gonna go shower her. Okay, hold on. No, Cassie, come on. Come on. I've got Harry showering while I've got Cassie marinating in a little concoction, but she doesn't like it. She's like rubbing herself everywhere. But I have to let it sit for about 10 minutes. Just because she's a little stinky, smelly. She's an older dog, so she has scents, certain smells going on. Look at you. They made a mess here with that concoction. She doesn't like it. I know, we're gonna shower you right now. Let's wait a few more minutes. No, Cassie! No. I'm gonna keep you in here because you're making a mess over there. Cassie, you smell so good. You smell good. Cassie. Look at you all clean. You smell so much better. And let's put on your outfit for the day. Since you look so cute. Oh, the pink one is for when we're going out. Good job, Cassie. You did so good. You smell clean. Don't try to jump off. You're an old lady. I got comments, remarks, looks about her hair. I was asked if I didn't have time to finish. I was asked if she's sick. I was questioned what kind of breed is she. I showed them my reference picture, my inspiration picture. They told me it was the wrong breed to do that haircut on. And I know, but you know, I wanted to try something new, something different. ¿No le gusta la cortada que le di?
Me voy a cortar el pelo yo así.
Hi, Cassie. No. I tried really hard. I even did a crisp line. My kid's dad even asked if it was an April Fool's prank because I cut her hair on April 1st. Nevertheless, I'm gonna just shave it all off because I can't take it anymore. I can't take the looks. I can't take the criticism. She's beautiful. So let's go ahead and finish the cut. So I still have to even her out a little bit, but I'm just gonna wait for the blades to cool down. But yeah, this is how I'm gonna keep her. She's gonna look. I'm still gonna keep this little mane thing because I do like her to look like a little lion, and I'm leaving her tail. She always has her tail left whenever she gets her hair cut. But at least I guess she looks better. Now hopefully she won't get those looks. I'm not gonna be going into grooming. First time grooming a dog. Oh, Cassie. How did I do this time? Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you like dog content and hit that like button. I'd really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.